Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong July 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, paki-check nyo na lang. So tingnan natin, Cancer. And by the way, happy birthday, happy solar return sa inyo, Cancer. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and good health. It's Cancer season. Okay. Now, let's see ano yung overall energy ng mga Cancer, money, career, finances. You have the Page of Pentacles. Oh, may mga studies, no? Pag-aaral, pagre-research. It seems na meron kang sisimulan, no? Ito yung tinatawag nilang starting small, no? Kahit na sa maliit na maliit na pagsisimula, pero malaki yung potential na lumago ito. Lalo na kung mas dadagdagan mo pa yung kaalaman mo dito. This can be a business na susubukan mo or a career, trabaho, na kung saan willing to learn ka, no? Handa kang mag-aral, i-improve yung sarili mo, yung kaalaman mo, yung skill set mo. Let's see your possible challenge. The challenge is the Knight of Wands. So medyo nakakapagod for you yung July, Cancer. So maaring medyo magiging busy ka, maraming aasikasuhin. Syempre, it's your season, no? Birthday season ninyo. Maaring may mga isisingit-singit ka na trabaho or mga errands sa gitna ng trabaho mo. So, kailangan you have to manage your time wisely. Let's see your opportunity. Wow, the Sun. Ganda ng opportunity ninyo. This is confidence, happiness. Maari ring meron kang creative projects ngayong July na you will feel good about it, no? Na parang very excited ka na simulan ito. And may celebration din. Tignan mo, nagsasayaw sila, nagsiselebrate sila. So there is something for you to celebrate sa iyong career, sa iyong finances, sa iyong business ngayong July. Okay, your blessing is the Emperor. Wow. So as a blessing, this is discipline. So meron kang disiplina sa sarili mo. Alam nyo, blessing to kasi hindi lahat disiplinado. Hindi lahat fina-follow kung ano yung requirements, yung recipe and ingredients to success, no? So kayo, kung halimbawa, ang sabi kailangan mong magtrabaho for 10 days para makuha mo yung goal mo na income. Straight. Gagawin mo talaga yon kasi nandun yung disiplina mo sa sarili mo. Okay? Some of you are also building an empire. So, maaring ito yung potential na pagsisimula mo and bago matapos yung July, makikita mo na kung itong sinimulan mo na to ay makikita mo na kung ito ay gagawin mo for long term. And I think you will have more plans, mas marami kang plano for this new career, new job, new business na sinisimulan mo. What is the Page of Pentacles? Diba? Ace of Cups, new beginning, new source of happiness, passion. What you are passionate about. Knight of Wands. There is an ending and new beginning. This can be a challenge for you. Kasi syempre, merong magtatapos. Pero, hindi lang magtatapos, meron ding magsisimula. May magsasarang pinto, pero may bubukas rin for you. So, it's a transition for some of you. Minsan, yung change na yan can be challenging, but at the same time, worth it kapag na-execute mo ng maayos at kapag nag-follow ka sa process. The Sun is the Knight of Cups. So, may opportunity na makipag-collaborate ka with someone kasi this is like an offer for a new career, a new business, or a potential idea, no? Na kung saan gusto mo pang palaguin or gusto mong isakatuparan. The Emperor is the Nine of Swords. So, I think as a blessing, worth it yung pag-iisip mo, worth it yung pagpupuyat mo, worth it yung mga ideas mo kahit na all over the place yan, dahil maayos mo na siya, mabibigyan mo na ng structure yan. Kumbaga, dati, ang gulo, ang dami mong iniisip. But ngayong July, you will be blessed with clarity. No, malalaman mo na ano yung dapat mo nang i-let go, ano yung dapat mong mas bigyan ng focus and attention sa yung career, sa yung finances. So, let's see, ano pa for July. All that glitters. Hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto. Okay? So, I think isa ito sa mga realizations ninyo ngayong July na mas maging careful sa decision making ninyo, sa mga papasukin yung mga endeavors, projects ngayong July, especially in business. Okay? Hindi agad-agad na parang may engganyo dahil lang sa parang it's too good to be true, no? Sabi nga nila, if it's too good to be true, then maybe this is really too good to be true. So, maaaring hindi talaga siya totoo. Round and round. I feel like, meron kang cycle, like a pattern. This can be isang unhealthy habits mo sa trabaho, sa career, na or sa finances mo na hindi na helpful sa'yo. Let's say, for example, sa trabaho mo, parang paulit-ulit, nandun yung cycle na lagi kang late. So, syempre, magre-reflect yun sa performance mo and maaring maging reason yun na hindi ka i-consider for promotion or for salary increase. 'Di ba? So, maaring meron kang i-break na cycle na hindi na nakakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng career mo, ng business mo. Or even your spending habits. Maaring naging magastos ka nung nakaraan kahit hindi mo naman kailangan. So ngayon, ika-cut off mo yung spending habits mo na unhealthy dahil mas magfo-focus ka on building your finances. To be fair, ayan. So some of you decision making, meron kayong gagawin. Meron kayong pinagpipilian na dalawang trabaho, business, career, mga potentials na sa tingin nyo ay mas magiging mabuti yung kalagayan ng finances ninyo. So some of you may be consulting with a person na meron ng karanasan doon para mas maging madali sa'yo na mag-decide. No? Example sa business, pagtitinda ng siomai, o example lang naman. Siyempre, tatanungin mo rin yung mga may experiences sa pagtitinda ng siomai kung ano yung mga ins and outs ng negosyo na yon. Para from them, no, may matututunan ka na at pwede mo nang ma-i-apply yan sa siomai business mo kung yun yung interest mo. No? So it's about learning from the expert. Okay? Let's see. What else? Yung iba sa inyo may regrets. Pwede kasing meron kayong hindi sinubukan or hindi sinimulan, no? Let's say na trabaho or business, na ngayon naisip nyo, ay sayang, sana pala. Ginawa ko na noon. Sana pala nauna na ako sa TikTok mag-affiliate. But it's never too late, okay? There is an infinite resources, opportunities para sa'yo. Innovation, imagination. So, ngayong July, you will have creative ideas. So, pay attention sa iyong mga creative ideas ngayon because you'll never know na baka ito ang magpapayaman sa'yo. 'Di ba? Para may pagka-inventor ka. Wow, Cancer, look at that. Money, blessings, unexpected fortune. Uulan ng pera. Hindi mo inaasahan. And you are also called to tap into your intuition and making decisions. Yes, kung yung decision mo na yan, medyo major, mabigat, no? Bigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo to meditate, contemplate, and like what I mentioned kanina, weigh the pros and cons, no? Siyempre, para makapag-decide ka what's best for your career, for your business, and for your finances. Your dreams and desires are calling you to take action. The journey begins today. Wow. So ito na nga, sinasabi na ng iyong mga pangarap na gumawa ka na ng action. Do it. Take that first step. You are being gifted with blessings and happiness, blessings of happiness and peace. Wow. So yung happiness na to, yung blessings na to will bring you peace of mind. Kasi wala kang masyadong pinoproblema. 'Di ba? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.